Hey, what's up? This is a tutorial on how to fix your Xbox if you're getting the message when you put your disc in to put your disc into an Xbox 360 console or stuff like that. So just to show you, Skate 2, brand new game, just came out a couple of days ago, but so I put it in and wait. Play DVD, and then it'll go to this screen. Okay, so how to fix this is, you want to take an ordinary DVD, just like that, right. This regular DVD, Dukes of Hazzard DVD. Take out the disc. And put in the DVD. Wait for it to go. The DVD will load. That'll happen sometimes. It'll say attempting to read media. And then it'll go, it's slower. The DVD is like running basically. So fast forward it, see, just to show that the DVD loaded. Now all you do is just go on like that. Take out the DVD. Put the game back in. And there you go, it's working. So again, what you do, if you get to play the Xbox game, put an Xbox 360 console. To get that to work, just put in an ordinary DVD, wait for it to load. It might not play on the first try, but once the DVD starts playing, like the previews and everything, just take the DVD out and put the game in, and the game will work like it is now. That's it. Hope this helped. Bye.